How to use OBS Virtual Camera in Google Meet. Let's get started. First, open OBS Studio and make sure your scene is set up exactly the way you want it to appear in Google Meet. This could include your webcam, screen capture, images, text, overlays, or any other sources you've added. Once everything looks good in the preview window, go to the Controls panel on the right side and click Start Virtual Camera. This enables OBS to send its output as a camera feed that other applications, including Google Meet, can use. Make sure OBS remains open while you're using the virtual camera. If you close OBS or stop the virtual camera, the feed will no longer be available. Next, open Google Meet and either start a new meeting or join an existing one. If you're already in a meeting, click the three dots at the bottom of the screen and select Settings. Then open the Video tab. Under the Camera section, click the drop-down menu and choose OBS Virtual Camera. As soon as you select it, your Google Meet camera preview will switch to whatever is currently being displayed in OBS Studio. If you've added overlays, graphics, screen captures, or a picture-in-picture layout in OBS, they will now be visible in Google Meet. Keep in mind that OBS Virtual Camera only sends video, so make sure you've selected the correct microphone in Google Meet. You can switch between different scenes in OBS at any time, and the changes will appear instantly in your meeting. If the preview looks mirrored, don't worry, only your view is mirrored. Other participants will see it correctly. If OBS Virtual Camera doesn't appear or shows a black screen, make sure the virtual camera is running and try restarting your browser if needed. And that's it. You can now use OBS Virtual Camera in Google Meet for a more professional and customized video call experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.